effort they've put into modifying and changing and upgrading your electronics, your transmission upgrades, your engine upgrades. I mean, it's Truck of the Year 2 years in a row. I mean, that speaks for itself.
We had to increase the technology on our trucks. So we had to bring in all of the new technology from the Uconnect system, where we have a downloadable capability, Wi-Fi hotspot, all the technology, 7-inch vehicle information center. So we brought the technology into the vehicles. And we had the Ram box before. Now we've got the All Secure system. Push one button on your keyless entry. It locks the 4 doors, it locks the 2 Ram box bins, and it locks the tailgate.
Come to Tempe Dodge. This is where we sell real trucks.